Puja is only 2 days left. Preparation is going on in full swing all over Garo Hills. In Tura, we have 33 pandals, and in West Garo Hills, we have around 92 pandals, including private puja. And in Garo Hills, there are 142 pujas. This time, Rangnam is celebrating 50 years of Durga Puja celebration with full enthusiasm, and they have their programs every day going on. And Friends Club in Tura is celebrating 25 years. We have program on 28. It's a food festival, handicrafts, then cultural program. We are also distributing on behalf of CPC some good numbers of cloths to the poor and needy people, and then Dandiya night.
Regarding Puja, we already have a meeting with Puja committees, and we have in Tura, chaired by the Deputy Commissioner, where the magistrate, the police were there, and instructions have been given to them regarding the noise pollution and all these things, what they are supposed to do. In terms of security, all security measures have been in place, and deployment will be there to ensure that Puja is peaceful. And throughout the district, at the Thana level, we had a meeting. All the OCs and the sub-divisional police officer have called the respective Puja committees, and they have a briefing with them, and we'll try our best to ensure that Puja is peaceful.